Morning class. Today we will be focusing on linear system of equations. Please like, comment, subscribe, and donate to this channel. My Cash App is with the $ up front, MLBFAN. Here we see two equations of x squared plus y squared equals 29 and x plus y equals 7. The first equation is not linear. X plus y equals 7 is linear. An equation is linear when it forms a straight line or a line in general when graphed, whether it be from like quadrant 3 to quadrant 1, quadrant 2 to quadrant 4, or a horizontal line as well. So let's solve the equation of x plus y equals 7 for a particular letter and substitute the result into the first equation. So let's get started. X plus y equals 7. So we need to subtract y to both sides. So x is equal to 7 minus y. And we need to incorporate parentheses around 7 minus y and substitute into the first equation for x. And now this will read 7 minus y squared plus y squared equals 29. So 7 minus y squared can be rewritten as 7 minus y times 7 minus y plus y squared is equal to 29. Now we need to multiply both binomials of 7 minus y times 7 minus y, and binomials are considered two terms. 7 is a term and minus y is a term. So that's what makes it a binomial. So we're going to do the foiling of outer, outer, inner, inner. So this will yield 7 times 7 minus 7y minus 7y, and then minus y times minus y is plus y squared, and then plus the additional y squared followed by that is equal to 29. 7 times 7 is 49, and then minus 7y minus 7y is equivalent to minus 14y, and then y squared plus y squared is 2y squared, and we can combine this really easily just by putting a 1 in front of the y squareds. So you can see it will add to be 2y squared is equal to 29. Now we need to subtract 29 to both sides to set the equation equal to 0. So 20 is equal to 20 minus 14y plus 2y squared is equal to 0. Now we need to put this in descending order. So 2y squared minus 14y plus 20 is equal to 0. And this is a quadratic equation in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Let's let this marinate for a second here. And now let's continue. So 2y squared minus 14y plus 20 is equal to 0. So we need to multiply the first and third terms, I should say. So multiply, and we will obtain 40y squared. And this equation should be factorable. So what multiplies to be 40 and adds to be negative 14? So negative 10 times negative 4 is 40, and negative 10 plus negative 4 is equal to negative 14. And y squared is equivalent to y times y. So we met the criteria of negative 10 times negative 4 is equal to 40, and negative 10 plus negative 4 is negative 14. So we bring down our first and third terms. So 2y squared minus 10y minus 4y plus 20 is equal to 0. Split this in half, and then on the left-hand side, they both have a 2y in common. And on the right-hand side, on the right-hand side, they have a negative 4 in common. So when we pull a 2y out on the left-hand side of the divider line, we will be left with y minus 5. When we pull out a negative 4 on the right-hand side of the divider line, we will be left with y minus 5. So the greatest common factor is y minus 5, also known as the GCF for the acronym. So the greatest common factor will be written first. So y minus 5 is the greatest common factor. And we want to write that first, followed by the remaining factor of 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. So y minus 5 is equal to 0, and 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. So we add 5 to both sides. So y is equal to 5 plus 4 plus 4, and 2y is equal to 4, and then divide both sides by 2, and y is equal to 2. So we are in business now. So we have y equals 5 and y equals 2. So now we need to plug both solutions for y into the equation that we found earlier in the form of x is equal to 7 minus y. So x is equal to 7 minus the first y solution of 5. So x will equal 2 because 7 minus 5 is equivalent to 2. So the coordinate, or the Cartesian coordinate, will be considered 2, 5. Now, the next solution for y is 2. So x will equal 7 minus 2. So x is equivalent to 5. So the other Cartesian coordinate will be considered 5, 2. So now we have both solutions. If you need math help, text 559 744 3169 for services. Please donate on the Cash App. With the $ up front, MLBFAN. Again, if you need math help, please text 559 744 3169 for services. Please donate on the Cash App with the $ up front, MLBFAN. So let's let this marinate. Thank you so much, and let's learn math together. Once again, I tutor for math subjects at the university, college, high school, and middle school levels. Please text me in the math course that you need help with, and I will respond to you at a much faster rate via text. Thank you so much, and let's learn math together.